So hello guys, welcome to our channel Pulse Sports. We have started a new segment about the Dream 11 IPL 2020 team analysis. In this series, we will be analyzing all the 8 teams participating in this year's IPL to be held at the UAE. Here, we will be checking about how the teams fare, what are the strengths of the team, what are the weaknesses of the team, and what are the latest news about the team results and all. And also we will be providing you with the best playing 11 according to us for this year's season for that particular team. As you know, this IPL is going to be held at UAE. The spinners will have an upper hold at this year's IPL. The spinning combination for each team needs to be perfect in order to be among the best in the top 4. Each and every team will look forward to have a winning note on the first game. So now, without further ado, let's get started with our today's segment. So guys, as you know, we will be starting up today with one of the most successful teams in the V4 IPL history, the Chennai Super Kings. Yes, the Chennai Super Kings have been 3 times champion before, and they have been one of the most better teams. They had the highest winning ratio in the tournament of over 60%, which any team doesn't have. They have won the champion's crown in 2010, 2006, 18 and 2012. And remember, they're also called as the Daddy's Army because of most of their players are over 35 years of age. But what matters to them is the experience. They have been a super experienced team and have always been on the top of the table. The 2 most pivotal men for them have been Stephen Fleming and MS Dhoni. MS has been the captain for all seasons whenever Chennai has played, and Stephen Fleming has been their coach for the past few seasons and has done a tremendous job. And recently, as all of you might know, that MS Dhoni has left cricket, playing international cricket, and so it will be a very important IPL for him in order to prove his successes and everyone that how he is still called as the best. This is the IPL team for the Chennai Super Kings, the whole team, the 20 members. We will now talk about DJ Bravo. DJ Bravo has been a pivotal to success of Chennai Super Kings for the past few years. He's been brilliant with his all-rounding skills and will play a huge role in this year's IPL as well. Shane Watson, another big name in the CSK dugout, a part of the Daddy's Army, more than 35 years of age, but with a vast experience and lethal opener, can change the course of the game anytime. As I told you, spinners will be a very important to success of every team. Chennai have a good spin combination with Harbhajan, Tahir, Chawla and Jadeja, so we will look forward to them obviously. Now we come to the latest news, that is Suresh Raina, who will not be a part of this IPL. This will be a very bad thing for CSK, but this will give 2 people much more chances, Ammati Raidu and obviously Murali Vijay. Both Raidu and Murali Vijay will have to show their skills and prove that they are worth in the team. With Raina going off, they have more responsibility on their shoulders. So now guys, we will be now moving to the CSK best playing 11 according to us. We have figured it out, analysis of the best playing 11 which will be suiting CSK. The opening batsmen will be du Plessis and Watson. Both the foreigners have had a good opening combination together, and both of them are very lethal in the first 6 overs. In the middle order, it's Raidu, Jadhav and Dhoni. Remember, Dhoni has to play a pivotal role here because Raina isn't there. He has to anchor the innings and provide a good support to the team. The finishers are the all-rounders, which will be DJ Bravo. He's been good with the ball, obviously has picked up bubble cap for almost 2 years, and Jadeja has been always a good spinner as well as a good finisher. We're looking forward to them obviously. In the pacers, Deepak Chahar and Shardul Thakur. Deepak Chahar has been a superb inclusion in the Chennai Super Kings team. Shardul Thakur is also very handy with the bat as well. The spinners for me will be Chawla and Tahir, because both of them got a good turn in the pitches of UAE. Tahir has played much in UAE and will surely know about the conditions of UAE very much well. So the question for all of you at the end of the season is, will CSK crown another IPL or will Daddy's Army miss out this year? Do let us know in the comment section how did you like the video, and stay tuned with us for the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.